Okay, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The 28th special session of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan of Espanyola now put to order. So may I please grant start for our national prayer, then singing of national anthem.
Manalangin tayo. Panginoong Diyos, itinataas namin ang iyong pangalan. Pinapupulihan at pinasasalamatan ka namin sa lahat ng iyong mga ginawa at pagpapala. Salamat sa panibagong araw.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang magiliw, pero sa sinakanan, hanap ng puso, sa bibig mo'y buhay. Upang hinirang, kuya ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisilip, sa naganap mundo, sa simay at sa langit ang pagkaw, ay hilatang tulakaw, sa pagkaya minamahal, ang isang pagkatawag mo'y
Secretary, please roll call for the member of the Sangguniang Bayan.
The honorable members of the 11th Sangguniang Bayan, the Honorable Samarin, Chua, Jorda, Galugay Jr., Bernardo, Sahibol, Tinson, Galang, Ong, Galang, and Reyes. 11 council members are in attendance.
Okay, so we have to roll. Then so we proceed. Business for the day, number 1.
Mr. President,
Yes.
bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko pong mag-comment sa pagpapatawag po ng special session. Yung special session po kasi pinapatawag lamang po ito ng majority ng Sangguniang Bayan.
Yes.
Plus tawag po ito ng pwede magpatawag po yung municipal mayor na mayroon pong dahilan, Mr. President, yung for the interest of the public. Pangalawa po dito yung kung mayroon pong calamity. Doon sa mga nabanggit ko po, itong topic po natin sa ngayon, itong mission po natin, approving and ratifying as ordinance ay hindi po pumasok doon sa sinasabi po natin na pagpapatawag po ng special session. Kaya nga, Mr. Presiding, ito po ay hindi for public demand, kundi ito po ay for the interest, for personal interest po ito, Mr. Presiding. Thank you po.
Yes. Kaya gatong din?
Thank you very much, Mr. Presiding. Narinig naman po natin nakaraan, sabi po ng ating treasurer, kailangan po nating madaliin ito. So, napagbigyan na po tayo. Ang sabing personal interest, hindi po interest po ito ng ating buong bayan. Hindi po ito personal interest kung nakikita po natin. So, Mr. Presiding, hindi ko lang alam kung bakit nabigyan na rin po tayo ng letter. Ang nakaraan, sabi, kailangan lang ng MUA kailangan lang natin na isa-isa yung MUA, kung ano nakalagay sa MUA, or nabasa man o hindi. So, binigay na rin po natin. So, Mr. Presiding, bagamat hindi pa tayo nakapagsimula, mayroon na tayong objection kaagad. Ako po naniniwala na valid at legit po ito yung ating special session.
Okay. Yes, gagawa naman.
Mr. Presiding, kung mapapansin po natin ang ating pinirmahan kanina na minutes ay wala pong ano dyan, ang business for the day kaagad tayo. So, baka po pwedeng usahin ko.
Basahin na.
Yung sa draft ordinance po, kasi wala po yung
Business for the day.
yes po, sa business for the day. Draft ordinance po, wala na po tayong mga comment or ano dyan na nakalagay. Kundi mamaya na po tayong mag-comment kasi ito po, dapat po inano po natin. Tinuloy-tuloy po natin doon sa business for the day.
Sige, pakinggan mo natin si Counter natin. Okay lang?
Mr. Presiding, wala po kasi out of topic na po tayo. Pag pinakinggan pa po natin, lahat naman po tayo opinion dito. Pero mamaya po, pasensya na kayo, Mr. Presiding, sumunod lang po tayo sa rule. After po ng business for the day, pwede na po tayo. Siguro sa mga adjournment part. Pasensya na po, pero Mr. Presiding, sumunod lang po tayo. Andiyan po,
Sige,
rule
isa na
on
lang.
business for the day.
Okay, Kagawad Bernardo,
Thank you. Ang question po dito, yung pagpatawag ng special session, hindi po dyan sa business for the day. Before tayo start sa business for the day, bakit tayo nagsisession? Dahil sa special session, malinaw sa ating batas, sa pinadala dito sa komunikasyon yung Section 52B, Republic of Civil yung pagpatawag ng special session. Ano po ba ang pagpatawag ng special session? A special session be called by the Chief Executive or by the majority of all members of this Sanggunian when public interest to demand. Napag-meetingan nyo ba na kailangan tayo? Pwede ba makita yung minutes na pinag-usapan nyo na public demand? Talaga itong ang pag-uutang po natin sa bangko, hindi po yan public demand. Taong bayan po ang magsasakripisyo yan. Sila po ang magbabayad nito. Kaya pag-isipan po natin, yun ang kinu-question po dito. Hindi itong pangungutang kung bakit kayo napatawag ng special session na hindi naman public interest to demand. Yun po ang kinu-question dito. Hindi yan sa pangungutang kasi ito nakaripad na sa committee last regular session natin na table partner. Tapos patawag nyo ng special session. Hindi naman public interest to demand dito sa pangungutang para sa ating bayan. Ang magbabayad, itaong bayan. Kaya pag-aralan po natin na maganda.
Presiding,
Isa na lang.
isa na lang.
Thank you very much ulit, Mr. Presiding. Naalala ko nung mga nakaraang mga previous natin mga session, ini-insist namin yung mga gusto namin insist but tumitingin po tayo dito sa ating order of business. Ngayon po siguro maunawaan din ng ating mga kasamahan kung bakit nag-insist tayo nakaraan ng gusto natin magpasok ng iba maliban po sa order of business. Ngayon po, maliwanag na pinapasok. Alam ko naman na hindi galit si Kagawad Bernardo kahit nakasigaw. Sorry for that. Ganun talaga yung boses niya. Pero Mr. Presiding, ini-insist ko rin po na sana ito po yung ating order of business. Yun po yung galangin natin at ating sundin. So wala na po akong ibang sasabihin. Basta ito po ay legit at kailangan po ng ating taong bayan. Thank you very much.
Ano ka pa?
Order of business po natin, Mr. Presiding, yun po ay napirmahan po natin. Pasensya na ho.
Hindi nga kinu-question nga nila yung special session. Hindi ito ang agenda ang inano nila dito. Okay? So, sandali lang. Ako muna magsalita, no? Ako makikiusap sa kanila kung maaari lang aprobahan natin ito. Okay ba yun sa inyo? Oh. Okay sa inyong dalawa? At least yung kanilang sentimento nilabas na nila siguro na ang pagpapatawag dito ng special session ay yun na nga yung kanilang reklamo. Pero hindi na natin kakatigan yun. Tayo makiusap na lang sa kanila na tuloy na natin itong ating agenda. Okay? Okay. So, yun na.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Presiding, at nautawan po natin, no? Yung ating order of business po, nandyan po, maliwanag naman po yung sasabi.
Hindi nga.
So, ito na po,
Iba
Mr.
yung
Presiding.
kinu-question nila, hindi yung agenda yung pagpatawag ng special session. Okay?
Draft ordinance.
Sige.
Ano po? Sige, sige. Sige. Magsabi lang po. Basahin ko lang po. Draft ordinance number
54-304.
approving, ano number ito? 304. Approving and ratifying the terms and conditions of loan agreement entered into by and between the municipal government of Sopronio Española, presented by municipal government of Sopronio Española, represented by municipal mayor Abner Rafael Entisorio, and the Land Bank of the Philippines, presented by Mr. Ruel H.D. Grande, for the acquisition of lot, a site for municipal terminal and public market, 98 million site development and construction of drainage and sewerage plant, 20. And construction of municipal public market, 9 million with a total of 127 million. Whereas the Honorable Mayor Abner Rafael N. Tesorio duly authorized by the Sangguniang Bayan through Municipal Ordinance 2023-271 entered into a loan agreement with the Land Bank of the Philippines, LBP, in the amount of 127 million Philippine currency for the acquisition of lot, a site for the municipal terminal and public market, site development and construction of drainage and sewerage plant and construction of municipal public terminal, as security executed therefore all documents demanded under the condition for borrowing Article 4 of the aforesaid agreement. Whereas the above-mentioned loan agreement has been forwarded to this august body for its perusal, appropriate action and ratification. Whereas the Sangguniang Bayan found the terms and conditions fair, just, legal, and in order. Now therefore, motion of yours truly, duly seconded by Blanc V. enacted and super enacted by the Sangguniang Bayan of Sopronio, Española, Palawan in a session assembled that Section 1, the Honorable Mayor Abner Rafael N. Tesorio as a Chief Executive of the Municipality of Sopronio, Española has been authorized to enter into loan agreement in the amount of 127 million pesos as provided in Section 297 of the Republic Act 7160 of the Local Government Code for the acquisition of lot as site for the municipal terminal and public market, site development, and construction of drainage and sewerage plant, and construction of municipal public terminal under the direction of Municipal Ordinance Number 2023-271, subject to the requirements reflected in Section 123 of RA 7653. In connection therewith, the municipal mayor is given full power and authority to negotiate the said borrowing and signing, executing, and delivering agreement and other necessary documents deemed crucial for full implementation of such authority herein granted. Section 2, the obligation of the municipality, including the terms and conditions, whether the said borrowing shall be valid and binding on the LGU and shall not be subject to recall, revocation, and rescission of the legislating council until the loan is fully paid, regardless of any change in composition of the Sangguniang Bayan. Number 3, consistent with the term covered in a loan agreement and such other agreement entered into by the municipal government of Sopronio, Española in connection with the borrowing, the figure, terms, and conditions as follow are fair, legal, in order, and thereby approved and ratified. Project name, acquisition of property for the municipality of Sopronio, Española, intended for its developmental project. Purpose to finance the acquisition of lot site for the municipal terminal public market. Number 2, finance site development and construction of drainage and sewerage plant. Number 3, finance the construction of the municipal public market. Terms, TL5 up to 5 years from the date of initial release, TL6 and TL7 up to 15 years from the date of initial release, drawn down into 2 years grace period in principal. Repayment mode, TL5, principal payable in 6 quarterly to start at the end of the first quarter from the date of the release in the case of staggered release. TL6, payable quarterly in arrears to start at the end of the first quarter from the date of release. Interest rate at the land bank prevailing rate at the time of availment plus minimum spread base on the credit ratings or 6% per annum, whichever higher, subject to quarterly repricing. Collateral assignment of 20% na NTA, National Tax allotment. Fees and charges, the following fees and charges shall be waived. Handling fee, commitment fee, inspection fee. Section 4. The municipality thereby allocates its loans proceed exclusively to finance an identified project here, including other financial obligations related thereto subject to further authorization of the Sangguniang prior to the disbursement and direct the inclusion of the appropriation in the municipality's annual budget in accordance with the local government code until the loan is fully paid. Section 5, responsive to the conditions of the loan agreement, the Land Bank of the Philippines, LBP, is hereby designated as municipality's official depository bank for its ATA and major depository bank for its other deposit revenue and collection, while the loan obligation remain outstanding, thereby authorized to deduct amount from general fund of SEV of the municipality with LBP and apply the same to the payment of loan or any portion thereof or interest of the penalties thereon instances, and the same are them or as may be them necessary by the LBP. Section 6. The municipality hereby grants the municipal mayor authority to waive its right to confidentiality of information authorizing LBP, its trustee bank, and all banks and financial institutions with which it has transaction to disclose all the information pertaining to investment, deposit, loans, and other transactions, including the history, the status of dealing the said banks or financial institutions. Section 7. Previous resolutions, ordinance, or part thereof, inconsistent with enactment, are hereby repealed or amended accordingly. Section 8. This ordinance shall take upon its approval and so further that established this resolution be furnished to LBP, DBM, and other concerned offices the information of the action. Enacted December 11, 2024.
May comment, correction regarding this ordinance number 2024-304? Wala? Okay, go.
I move the draft ordinance approving the ratifying terms, conditions, and loans agreement entered into by the between the municipal government of Provincia Española, represented by Municipal Mayor Abner Rapel Tesorio, and the Land Bank of the Philippines, represented by Roel H. De Grande, for the acquisition of lot site for the municipal terminal and public market, 98 million site development, and construction and drainage sewerage plant 20, and construction of municipal public terminal 9 million with a total of 127 million be adopted.
Has been moved and seconded. No objection? Hearing none. Ordinance number 2024-304 is approved for second reading and be calendar for third and final reading for the next regular session. Yes, Kagawad,
Mr. Presiding, I move our special session be adjourned.
has been moved and seconded. No objection? Hearing none. Our special session for today is adjourned.